Apparently, after these shenanigans occur, very shortly after, God floods the entire earth. So again, if you have any Sunday school exposure, there's a guy named Noah. He builds a massive ship, a boat, called an ark, and the whole earth gets flooded. But prior to that, the man is building and building and building and building. And people are like, why are you building? He's like, because God said it's going to rain. They're like, first of all, what is rain? So it had not rained yet on the earth, but this man is building and building and building. All of the animals that needed to come 2 by 2 so they can reproduce, male and female, parlay up on said boat. And then it rains for 40 days and 40 nights. Spoilers.
Everybody say,